I love this TV. We watch movies, videos, games. Great features. Great TV and lots of improvement. Perfect color. 1000% recommended. We love our new 85-inch Samsung Smart TV. There are so many channels built in, you wouldn't need to pay for more apps, but of course we do. We enjoy all the apps we can download as well. My concern is that I purchased a new TV and I received an item covered in dirt. No way to know for sure if it's refurbished, but saving the pictures in case the TV fails in the near future. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. See attached photos. Very poor services on the part of a nearly $1 trillion company. Amazing quality video and audio. I chose QLED because I have it plugged into my computer and I didn't want to worry about image burn, and I'm also in a room with many windows, so I wanted less reflection from outside light, both of which QLED does much better than OLED. Samsung isn't the least expensive because it has superior quality and it shows. I am not a techie. I tend to be a trendsetter, trying out all of the latest and greatest advances in technology and household appliances, gadgets before my family and friends, but I generally do not understand many of the advanced features and specifications. My review is for the average Joe, and not a hardcore techie. I set this television up for occasional use in our recreation room. I have a 65 inches Sony Bravia OLED in my living room and a 65 inches Sony Bravia LED in my bedroom. While I absolutely love both televisions, they come at a much higher price point than this model. This television is an excellent option for anybody who wants a quality viewing and audio experience at a lower price point. 1. Initial impression. Right out of the box, the television will impress you. It is sleek, looks great, has very little bezel, and has a very thin screen. The support mount is stable, but unlike other TVs that I have, the mount is closer to the center of the TV. While there is room underneath the television for a soundbar, the stand's baseplate will get in the way. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. A soundbar will either need to be wall-mounted or balanced on top of the TV stand. 2. Setup. Physical setup consists of affixing the stand assembly into its support on the back of the television using 2 screws on each leg. The remainder of the television setup was relatively quick and easy. The television menu will guide you through all of the steps required to get the television up and running. You can set up the television from either the television's menu, or through a mobile device. I am not certain what app is used for the setup since I always set my televisions up from their menu. There was a software update available which I opted to have loaded during the setup process. It took about 15 minutes to update. 3. Picture color and clarity. The television has many of Samsung's picture-enhancing technologies. Among these are Samsung's Quantum HDR4X, Quantum Dot, and Adaptive Picture. These technologies, when coupled together, produce awesome picture quality and details that really enhance the picture. Samsung's Quantum Dot displays billions of colors that offer a picture quality that is more natural to the eye. Samsung's adaptive picture technology continually adjusts the picture based on the scene being displayed and the room's lighting conditions. This television offers a fantastic picture for the price. It is clear, crisp, and lifelike, even when viewed without HD cable service. The image is crystal clear, even when viewed from a close distance or from a side angle. 4. Sound quality. The audio system is a 2-channel system consisting of 2 physical speakers and 2 virtual speakers, which uses Samsung's Object Tracking Sound (OTS Lite) technology to create an immersive audio experience where sound seems to be broadcast from the direction of the object generating. I do not have a surround sound system set up in my recreation room, but you do not need it with this television. The sound quality is very good. When tested at maximum volume, the sound remained clear enough for television viewing, but started to sound a bit strained, but still very listenable, on the music channels. It should be noted that I could never imagine any instance when maximum volume would be needed unless the television is being broadcasted in a banquet hall or meeting room. I particularly like the active voice amplifier, which adjusts the sound levels to enhance the clarity of dialogue. 5. Apps menu. There are numerous preloaded popular apps, such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and YouTube. You can easily customize the apps menu to remove the apps you do not plan to use, or to add other Android apps of your choice from the Google Store. If you are a Comcast subscriber, Samsung supports the Xfinity Stream app. 6. Alexa, Google Assistant, Bixby. I do not use these features, since I am so accustomed to Siri, which is not supported. However, I did test it out and it appears to work as well as it would on any other supported device. Bixby is Samsung's virtual assistant. 7. Gaming. I am not a hardcore gamer, so the picture quality and speed are more than adequate for my needs. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews. The Q70a model has a gaming mode that offers an aspect ratio ranging from 21:9 to 32:9. In the gaming mode, there is a gaming bar display that reports information such as input lag, FPS, HDR, wireless headset settings and more. 8. Connectivity. Using Samsung's Smart View feature, a mobile device can be cast onto the television screen. If casting only audio, you can connect using the television's Bluetooth connection. Both of these features worked well. 9. Remote control. This television has a rechargeable battery in the remote. I do not know why this is not a standard feature of all televisions. Even better than that, the Samsung remote has a solar panel that recharges the battery from household lights, which is ingenious. This television is loaded with numerous other features that I have not touched on that help to make this a great television. I hope this review was helpful for you in narrowing down your search for a new television. Overall, I would strongly recommend this model. I was undecided what size to buy, but the truth is that it has been one of the huge purchases. I love the TV. It has great definition, good volume. The control at first was complicated because I did not know how I would charge it, but now that it is all the time upside down giving it sunlight or lamps, it is always charged. I think it was a good idea to leave batteries behind. Let's help the environment. Great buy, you won't be disappointed. So when you first unbox and turn on, the remote may need to be paired to the TV. It may turn on off, but won't progress past the startup with smartphone or remote option if not paired. Recommend smartphone setup, scan on-screen QR code next screen. To pair, hold down simultaneously the return, enter and play, pause buttons for 5 seconds just below the circular button, straddling the home button. See attached picture. Another tip. One day TV lost smartness connectivity. The fix was unplugged TV power outlet for a few minutes. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.